Okay, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to Richmond's place.
Very good.
Okay. So come on, guys. Let's go pick some tomatoes. Okay, it's a really spicy day out there, and it's very sunny. But Grandpa has a new rooster. His name is Mr. Sheriff.
Is his name the Sheriff?
Yeah. Just like Woody the Cowboy.
What's today?
My birthday.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
There you go.
You're getting to be a big boy.
But when I'm 5, I'll turn into my birthday and I'll be 6 years old.
Yeah.
When I turn to 6 years old, I'll be 7 years old. Okay, I'm gonna get some tomatoes.
I see some right there.
Huh?
Right there.
Where?
Jack's right there. The orange ones.
Orange ones? Okay. Huh? Okay. Where are you? What? 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 What is that? What is that thing?
Who's that?
It's a new bunny!
Is that a bunny?
Yeah, bunny. Another bunny?
They're both yours. You're gonna feed them and you're gonna take care of them. Look how cute she is.
Yeah. Can I sleep with them?
No, you can't sleep with them, but you can play with them. You wanna take her out?
Yeah. I'll take her out. Come on. Yeah, it's a bunny.
You get to name them.
Let's name him.
That's a her.
That's a her.
Let's name him.
Grab her.
Let's name him Mr. Sheriff.
That's a girl one.
Watch out.
That one's a girl bunny.
What do you name her?
I'm gonna name her.
It's okay.
What about I name her Strawberry?
Aww.
Yeah, I'll name her Strawberry. I'll name her Strawberry. I'll name her Cherry.
Come on.
I'll name her Cherry.
There you go. Come on.
Come on. Come on,
Grab
Bunny.
her by the back. There you go.
Hi, Bunny.
Pet it.
Aw, he's kind of cute. He's cute.
It's a she.
Is she? The other one's a boy. She's a girl.
But can I hold him?
Yeah. Go get her. Get out.
That was funny.
Hold her.
Yeah.
You gotta be careful. Bend down and pick her up. No.
That's funny.
Pet her.
Okay. She's cute. Can I hold her? Can I hold her?
Yeah, you gotta pick her up.
Okay. Look at. She looks like she's angry. She's so cute. I can't believe I got a bunny. Hey, Strawberry. Hey, Strawberry. Don't call her name Strawberry
Why? What's her name?
because she doesn't like.
Well, he definitely likes this one more than the black one.
I like both.
You like both?
Yeah.
What are you gonna name the other one? The other one is a boy.
I'm gonna name him Carvin.
Are you guys putting them back closer to the house, or maybe?
Okay, but.
Hey, Bun Bun.
Hey, Bun Bun Bun. Bunny. Oh, she's cute.
Yeah, look.
Yeah,
So
she loves us. She's not afraid at all.
We're gonna sing happy birthday.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jax. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Get so close to the flame.
You're gonna get burnt. Whoa. All right.